So this question here is asking you to fill in the blank for the double hashing formula. And I'm going to underline this because that's important. That's the method that we are going to focus on with this question. And so we know that with double hashing, it's the only method that uses the two hash functions. So this is definitely not the right answer. And from what we know as well, you're multiplying your second hash function by I, so this is not right, and this part is also not right as well because you're only multiplying your second hash function by I, so this is wrong. So this is why this is the correct answer. And I think something important to take away from double hashing is that a lot of reasons why people use it is just because it is faster than some other methods, and it kind of leads to less clustering as well compared to other methods.